Good morning students, welcome to computer period. Today also we will continue the flowchart examples. In the last class we have solved many problems with the examples. Now today one of the interesting this program or flowchart in order to prepare tea, 3 cups of tea that is applicable in our day to day life. Okay. You know what is the flow chart? It is a sequence of steps to be followed. It is a steps to be followed and it is represented in the form of a standard symbol. Okay. Let us see that example how to prepare tea. So, the question will be draw flow chart to prepare 3 cups of tea. Okay. Now, first step is to start using the symbol terminator. Then, first of all what you have to do, wash 3 cups and vessel. No, in order to do tea, prepare tea, we want a vessel, no, and a filter. So that is represented using rectangle symbol. Next step is add 3 cups of it is enough 2 cups of water. Then what we want and water to the vessel. Okay, add 2 cups of water to vessel. So I have to represent with the parallelogram. Then what we want, again add 2 cups of 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of milk to the vessel. That should be represented using the symbol parallelogram. Over. Next what you have to do, add a spoon, 5 spoons of sugar to the vessel. Then we should check that if gas is lighted, isn't it? Without gas or lighting we can't make it heat, so we have to check whether the gas is on or lighted or not, and if it is no, we have to light the gas. Now if it is yes, put the vessel or keep the vessel on the gas. Keep the vessel on gas. Then we have to check is it mixture or the whatever we have added, that mixture is boiling. If it is yes, you have to add 3 spoons of tea powder, 3 spoons of tea powder to it. So that also represented using parallelogram. Then we should filter the mixture and filter the mixture, whatever we have added and have boiled, and pour it to 2 cups into the cups, isn't it? We have to drink, no? So you have to pour it into the cups, then stop. Say this is a simple example for preparing tea in our day-to-day life. Your flow chart is applicable in our day-to-day activities also. So we can represent that using the standard symbol. See what are the requirements we want for preparing tea. Okay, understood, no? It is a very interesting and it is applicable in our day-to-day life. Okay, students, I hope you have understood these symbols. Easy to understand. Now we will do one more example in our general life or business life. For example, in order to get a profit or decide profit or loss. Okay, let us do one more example and we will understand. So, we will draw one more flow chart to decide a profit or loss. So, there is a question, draw flow chart to decide profit or loss. So, yes, you know, first step is to start symbol, start. Then we have to write read income. So, read income, that should be written in rectangle shape. Next again we have to write read loss, or we can write cost. Read cost. Now we have to decide is income is greater than cost. That should be represented using decision box, and if it is yes, calculate profit as, profit means you have to less income minus cost. So, it is a calculation. So, we have to write using rectangle box. Okay. And if it is no, we have to calculate loss as cost minus income. Cost minus income, and use the formula rectangle, that is calculation box. Now we have to decide print loss or profit. So here we have to write print, in this case cost minus income means we have to write print loss, and in this case we have to write print profit or gain. Then should stop our decision or conclusion is over, so we have to stop. So here explanation is profit means income minus cost. For example, we have rupees 1000 with us. Okay, think that we have 1000 with us, and income is equal to, sorry, the profit is equal to income minus cost. No, we think that it is our income. If you spend cost, this 800 rupees cost we think we have spent, and you will be getting the difference of 20 rupees as a profit. Understood? 200 rupees as a profit. Now in this case, loss means cost is 800 we take and income 1000. So it will be minus 200, isn't it? See here cost is more than the, so that is a minus 200. So it is very useful in our business life. Okay, based upon the profit we will get, we can start a business like that. So it is very important in our business life also. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Thank you, students.